Most credit limit increases happen after the system sees consistent on-time payments and stable account activity, not from manual requests alone. By the end, you'll know what actually triggers a higher Arro card limit, what actions can hold your limit back, and the exact steps to improve your chances of getting an increase. Start with how credit limit decisions are usually made. Most fintech cards adjust limits based on your payment behavior, account activity, and overall risk profile inside the app. That means your limit is not random. It is continuously updated based on how you use the card and how reliably you pay it back. First focus is payment history. Consistently paying on time is the strongest signal you can give that you can handle a higher limit safely. Even one missed or late payment can slow down or block future limit increases because it changes your risk profile inside the system. Next is utilization. If you constantly max out your card or use almost the full limit, the system can interpret that as higher risk. Keeping your usage more controlled and predictable helps build a stronger profile for limit growth. Now look at account activity. Cards that are used regularly for normal purchases tend to get reviewed more often than inactive accounts. But that does not mean spending more is always better. It means consistent, realistic usage matters more than occasional large spikes. Another factor is linked bank stability. If your connected bank account shows steady deposits and low volatility, it can strengthen your overall profile. Irregular deposits, or frequent failed transfers, can slow down limit improvements. Now, the practical steps. Make every payment on time. Avoid relying on your full limit every cycle. And keep your linked bank account active and stable. Then give the system time to update your profile. Limit increases are usually based on patterns, not single actions. One important mistake to avoid is repeatedly requesting increases too often. That does not speed things up and can sometimes flag your account as higher risk behavior. Here's the simple idea most people miss. Your Arro card limit increases when the system trusts your repayment behavior, not when you ask for more credit. So the goal is to look predictable, stable, and low risk over time. Quick recap. On-time payments, controlled usage, and stable banking activity are the main drivers of credit limit growth. Avoid maxing out your card and avoid unnecessary increase requests. Next step is simple. Focus on 2 to 3 billing cycles of clean payment history and steady usage, then check your app for eligibility updates. Like and subscribe for more clear breakdowns of credit and fintech tools without the confusion.